Yan, welcome back to my channel. Ito, a-attend kami ng birthday at formal. Yung a-attend na namin.
Mag-picture tayo, Flor. Ay. Dito tayo. Ano nga, baka maano pa daw natin, mataray.
Shoutout ng bongga sa Debutant Mother.
Mother, oh. Hindi na yata. Wala daw siyang damit yan, ha? Yung lagay na yan, wala ka pang damit yan. Ayaw kaya kay Paul. Paul, kuha mo anong
I'm your host for tonight's celebration. This night is very special because we are celebrating the 18th birthday of Akea. So, if you guys are ready to party with Akea, hello, and I think you're welcome. If you guys are ready to party with Akea, give yourselves a round of applause, everybody. Palapakan niyo naman ulit ang bawat isa. Thank you so much for being here. Alright, what a beautiful family that we have here right now. Thank you so much for coming in right now. And ladies and gentlemen, before we welcome the lovely debutante, I want you to focus. I get so comfortable to love you.
Change the game after last night. After last night, I think I'm in love with you. I think I'm in love.
the candle, sila yung nagdadala ng mga wishes natin sa langit. Kaya mas natutupad yung mga wishes. So right now, we have 18. Actually, you may blow the candles. I've got someone. Table number 1, Margel. Table number 2. Sa table number 4, ay si Beanie members. Joke lang. Alright, next.
Yan, shoutout kay May Pasamonte. And it's her daughter's birthday. We're done eating.
So, next up, let's hear it from Miss Juliet Calixto.
Yes, ito yung photo booth. Yan.
Come on, guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Before you blow your
Lahat kayo halos busy, pero binigyan niyo pa rin ng time sa family, sa friends na dumalo. And ayun, sobrang nagpapasalamat talaga ako.